Did you know that studies show up to 70% of people use their inhaler incorrectly? Proper technique is essential, otherwise the medication never makes it deep into your lungs where it can actually help. A few small adjustments can dramatically improve how well your inhaler works and how you feel day to day. In this video, we'll walk you through the best practices so you can get the full benefit from every dose. Before using your inhaler, do some pursed lip breathing and huff coughing to clear congestion and relax your airways. Always sit up straight or stand if you're able. Good posture opens your airways and helps the medicine work better. Shake your inhaler well before each puff. This mixes the medication evenly. Exhale gently to empty your lungs before using the inhaler. Use a spacer if you have one. A spacer can help if you have trouble inhaling quickly or deeply, so speak to your doctor or respiratory therapist if you think this might be helpful. Form a seal with your lips around the inhaler or spacer. Begin to breathe in slowly, then press down on the inhaler as you continue to inhale deeply. This timing makes sure the medicine reaches your lungs instead of staying in your mouth or throat. Hold your breath for about 10 seconds or as long as you're comfortable. This allows the medication to settle in your lungs. Then, breathe out slowly. If you're prescribed 2 puffs, wait at least 1 full minute between doses. This gives the first puff time to open your airways so that the second can work even better. Always rinse your mouth with water or mouthwash after using a steroid inhaler. This helps prevent irritation and oral infections like thrush. It also prevents the medication from negatively affecting your sense of taste. And don't forget to clean your inhaler or spacer regularly, following the instructions that came with it. A clean device means better delivery of medicine and also prevents illness. Good inhaler technique makes every dose count, helping protect your lungs, reduce flare-ups, and keeping your breathing as easy and steady as possible. When you use your inhaler the right way, you're giving your medicine the best chance to do its job and support your respiratory health.